not y by x, it is x by y. So, we have to take a different substitution. First, I have told you this is a homogeneous equation. So, what is dy by dx? Dy by dx, that is 1 plus e power x by y, minus sign is there, and e power x by y 1 minus x by y. See, this itself the function is in the form of, see, f of x y is 1 plus e power x by y divided by e power x y into x by y minus 1. So, this is easily in this form of, see, this is x power 0 into h of x by y, h of x by y. So, it is a homogeneous function. Now, take substitution, take what we have to take. Y is equal to Vx we were taking for y by x. For x by y we have to take x is equal to V into y. X is equal to V into y. Now, differentiating with respect to x. This will be with respect to y we have to do it. So, therefore, dx by dy we get v into 1 plus y into dv by dy. So, this is the second equation and first equation is there. Using equation 2 in 1, here v plus y dv by dy is equal to, now here from this you can see x by y is equal to v. Now, we can write this as 1 plus e power v divided by, this minus sign I am multiplying it here in the denominator, that is e power v into v minus 1, e power v into v minus 1. Now, we can simplify this, y dv by dy is equal to 1 plus e power v divided by v into e power v minus 1, v into e power v minus 1 minus v, v into e power v minus 1 minus v. So, let us simplify this. When you simplify y into dv by dy is equal to 1 plus e power v minus v square e power v, and minus we get here plus v. So, dv by dy. So, let us verify this because there is no cancellations are coming out. So, let us verify this. So, this is 1 plus e power v, here 1 plus e power x by y dx, e power y into 1 minus v you will get. So, that because of the minus sign we have taken it to this side. So, dy by dx is equal to 1 plus e power v into v minus 1. So, e power v minus e power v. So, when you multiply this v into e power v minus e power v. So, minus e power v, this will be plus v into e power v, plus v into e power v all divided by v into e power v into v minus 1, e power v into v minus 1. This is the simplifications. Okay, there is some error is here. This is dy by dx. So, what is dx by dy? We should have, you can see we have taken dy by dx, but we want only dx by dy. So, dx by dy is you can see this is dx by dy is equal to e power x by y minus 1 divided by 1 plus e power x by y. Now, this is also, this will change like this, e power x by y minus 1 divided by 1 plus e power x by y. Now, here we get v plus dx by dy. We have to substitute dx by dy. That will be e power v into v minus 1 divided by 1 plus e power v. Now, this is e power v into v minus e power v divided by 1 plus e power v minus v. So, here also it will change. E power v into v or v into e power v minus e power v, and here if you multiply minus v e power v whole divided by 1 plus e power v. So, this is the simplification. So, we should be careful, dy by dx is not there, now it is dx by dy. Now, this you can cancel these two, you can take a minus of v plus e power v divided by 1 plus e power v y into dv by dy. Now, separation of variables, 1 plus e power v divided by v e power v dv is equal to minus dy by y. So, separation is over. Now, integration starts. 1 plus e power v divided by v plus e power v dv is equal to minus dy by y, plus we can take this as log c, constant we can take it as log c, because this integration is log y, and this integration also you take substitution as v plus e power v is equal to t. Differentiating with respect to v, we get 1 plus e power v dv is equal to dt. So, this integration is log of v plus e power v is equal to minus log y plus log c. Now, this is log of c by y. So, v plus e power v is equal to c by y. V is x by y, e power x by y is equal to c by y. Now, we can multiply this with y, x plus y e power x by y is equal to C is the solution. So, here the problem is over. So, we made a error here. We have written that as a dx by dy. We should take it as a dx by dy because you can see in the question itself x by y is there. It is not y by x function. Function is x by y function. Therefore, we should take dx by dy, take the change the substitution to x is equal to vy. So, dx by dy calculate and substitute 2 in 1 and simplify and integrate. So, integration has become easy because substitution method we are using here. V plus e power v is equal to t. See, 1 plus e power v dv is equal to dt. So, this becomes a dt by t log t. T is nothing but v plus e power v. So, this integral is log. So, all the three terms are in logarithms. So, this becomes log c by y. So, remove the logarithm and simplify, we get the answer. Let us go to the next. Now, 10 problems we have done with solutions. Okay. Now, let us go to particular solution problems. Okay. Now, 11th question, which is a particular solution. You see, they have given condition x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. Using that, we have to, after general solution, substitute x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1, find the value of constant, eliminate the constant, we get the particular solution. Now, here dy by dx is equal to, see, when it goes to the other side, it becomes y minus x divided by y plus x. We can take it as y plus x or x plus y. So, this is a homogeneous differential equation. How you have to prove it? This is a homogeneous differential equation. See, for entrance purpose, how to find homogeneous? You see, here the power is 1. Numerator power is 1, denominator power is 1. So, 1 minus 1, 0, it is a 0 degree homogeneous equation. So, easily we can find out. Now, put y is equal to Vx, differentiating with respect to x, differentiating with respect to x. What is dy by dx? So, many problems we have done. V plus x into dv by dx. So, this is a second equation using 2 in 1 v plus x dv by dx. So, here we have to put y is equal to Vx. So, x can be taken out. Here also y is equal to Vx, x can be taken out, v plus 1 it will be. So, v minus 1 divided by v plus 1. Now, simplify this. X dv by dx is equal to v minus 1 by v plus 1 minus v. So, this can be simplified like this, v minus 1 minus v square minus v. So, minus v plus v cancels. Now, we can separate the variables. How to separate the variable? You see, this is you can take it as minus of 1 plus v square dv by 1 plus v square. This v plus 1 is also there. So, v plus 1 multiplied by dv is equal to minus dx by, this minus sign I am keeping it here itself. This is a dx by x. When it comes to the other side, it will be dx by x. Now, integrate this v plus 1 divided by 1 plus v square is equal to minus integral of dx by x can take this as C, constant C. Now, how to integrate v plus 1 divided by 1 plus v square? Very simple. You have to split this. See, v by 1 plus v square dv plus the integral 1 by 1 plus v square dv minus dx by x plus c. How to integrate? We have done in many problems, we have done this. This 1 plus v square is equal to t. If you take this will be dt by 2 by t. So, this will be 1 by 2 log 1 plus v square plus tan inverse of v, tan inverse of v. So, 1 by 1 plus v square integration is tan inverse of v, and this is minus log x plus c. Now, let us put v is equal to y by x. So, this is log of this 1 by 2, when it goes here it will be root 1 plus y square by x square plus tan inverse of y by x is equal to minus log x plus c. Now, let us see, put x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1, here you get log 1, that is 0 plus tan inverse of 1, log 1 is 0 because y is 1, x is 1, log 1 is 0, tan inverse of 1. This is equal to so this is log 2, sorry, log of root 2, because this is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2 minus 0 plus c. So, c is equal to, you can write this as 1 by 2 log 2 plus pi by 4, tan inverse of 1 is pi by 4. Now, we get the particular solution, write the particular solution. The particular solution is, here you can see log of x square root of x square plus y square. Here denominator x square is there, root of x square, that becomes x. So, this can be taken as log x is equal to plus tan inverse of y by x is equal to minus log x plus pi by 4 plus 1 by 2 log 2 c value. C value is pi by 4, 1 by 2 log 2, minus log x cancels. So, that is the required solution. You can if you want, you can write this as 1 by 2 log x square plus y square plus tan inverse of y by x, which is equal to pi by 4 plus 1 by 2 log 2. So, if you want to remove this 2, multiply this by 2. How will you multiply this? 2 multiply, here you have to multiply this 2, and here if you multiply you will get pi by 2, and this 2 will get cancelled, and is the solution. Is the solution, particular solution. So, here integration is only important. You can see v plus 1 by 1 plus v square. If you do integration without any mistake, then we will be getting correct solutions. Log of x square plus y square plus 2 tan inverse of y by x is equal to pi by 2 plus log 2. Okay. Next question we will see. Now, the next question is also a particular solution problem. See, y is equal to 1 and x is equal to 1, they are given. Now, let us do this differential equation. Dy by dx is equal to minus of xy plus y square by x square. So, we can see the degree of this term is 2, another term is also 2, denominator is also 2. So, it is a homogeneous differential equation. This is a homogeneous. You have to prove it. You have to prove yourself when you are doing examinations, when you are answering, you have to prove this homogeneous differential equation. Here the equation is in the form of y by x, you can see. Now put y is equal to Vx, differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx. So, we get the second one using 2 in 1, using 2 in equation 1, v plus x dv by dx. Okay, v plus x dv by dx. How will you do this? Y is equal to vx. Here v square x square. So, x square all get cancelled. What we are going to get is minus of, here we are going to get v, and then plus v square. So, there is no term in the denominator. You can see here minus of x into vx plus v square x square divided by x square. X square all cancels. Minus of v plus v square. Now, what is x into dv by dx? This is equal to minus 2v minus v square, minus 2v minus v square. Now, this can be taken as dv by v into v plus 2v square plus 2v. Minus sign I am keeping it in the same right hand side. So, minus 2v plus v square only I have taken it here. So, this we have to integrate. How to integrate this? dv by v plus v into v plus 2 is equal to minus dx by x plus, we can take c constant. Now, how to integrate 1 by v into v plus 2? We should use partial fractions, or if you are able to do without partial fractions also, we will be able to do it. How will you do that? Without partial fractions, how will you do this? Or take partial fractions, that is the method. What is this? A by v plus v by v plus 2. 1 is equal to a into v plus 2 plus b into v. So, when you put v is equal to 0, this is 0 and this is 0. So, you cannot get any 2a. Here you will get 2a. So, a is equal to 1 by 2. Then v is equal to minus 2 if you put 1 is equal to minus 2b. So, minus 1 by 2. So, partial fraction is over. 1 by v into v plus 2 is equal to 1 by 2 by v minus 1 by 2 by v plus 2. Now, integration is simple. We have to integrate 1 by v plus 2. Now, put it in the integral, that is this is 1 by 2 into 1 by v minus 1 by v plus 2 dv minus integral dx by x plus c. Now, let me integrate this, that is log v minus log v plus 2, 1 by v plus 2 log v plus 2 is the integral, minus log x plus c. Now, this we can write it as 1 by 2 log v divided by v plus 2 minus log x plus c. Now, substitute y by x, y by x. So, x cancels, here you will get y and here you get y plus 2x is equal to minus log x plus c is the solution, general solution. So, for this general solution we have to find the particular solution using the constant, the initial conditions. The conditions given are x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. So, calculate c, 1 by 2 log 1 by 3, y is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 plus 2 here, 1 by 3 you will get, minus log 1, that is 0 plus c. So, this implies c is equal to 1 by 2 log 1 by 3. Now, let us put it in the equation, 1 by 2 log y by y plus 2x is equal to minus log x plus 1 by 2 log 1 by 3. Now, multiply this by 2, we can simplify this logarithm, minus 2 log x plus log 1 by 3. This can be further simplified like this, log 1 by x square plus log 1 by 3. Further this can be simplified as log of 1 by 3x square. Now, y plus 2x is equal to log can be cancelled. So, here this will become x power minus 2. X power minus 2 is 1 by x square. X power minus 2 we get when you take minus 2 inside the logarithms. Now, this is equal to 1 by 3x square. So, y plus 2x is equal to 3x square y is the solution, is the particular solution. This is the particular solution for this. So, we have to be thorough with integration. This integration is 1 by v into v plus 2. So, that integration afterwards you simplify it, calculate c and complete the answer. We will go to the next question. Next problem, dy by dx is equal to y minus x into sine square y by x divided by x. So, this is a homogeneous differential equation. This is a homogeneous differential equation. Now, put y is equal to dx. On differentiating we get this is v plus x into dv by dx. So, keep this as equation 2, this as equation 1. Now, using 2 in 1, we get dy by dx is x v plus x into dv by dx. So, the right hand side function, here it is y is there, vx will be there. So, x and all cancels, vx means v minus sine square v divided by, no, we cannot, we have no this one, this is 1. So, v cancels, x into dv by dx is equal to minus sine square v. So, we can write this as d dv by sin square v is equal to minus dx by x. Now variable separable is over. This is cosecant square v. So integration is what is the integration here? Cosecant square v dv is equal to minus integral dx by x, plus we can take this as a constant also as log c, or you can take it as c first. What is the integration of cosecant square v? We know that minus cot v, this is minus log x plus c minus cot v. So if you write this as cot y by x is equal to minus, if you multiply it will become minus c. Now put the values x is equal to 1, y is equal to pi by 4. Here what you get, you see, cot pi by 4, cot pi by 4 is 1, log 1 is 0, so c. So c is equal to minus 1, c is equal to minus 1. So the particular solution is cot y by x is equal to log x plus 1. So this can be written as log x plus log e to the base e. So we can write this as log x into e, cot y by x. Cot y by x is equal to log x into c, x into e. This is the particular solution. This one only is particular solution. See, integration is integral cosecant square v, that is minus cot v, cot y by x, log x minus c, c is equal to minus 1. So you can write 1 as log e to the base e, so that you can combine this log x into e. So this is the particular solution. Okay, let us try next question. Now the question number 14, dy by dx minus y by x plus cosecant y by x is equal to 0. So simply they have given dy by dx instead of dx and dy. Now this is y by x minus cosecant y by x. See, by looking at this itself, this is a 0 degree homogeneous equation. Now you can take, this is a homogeneous differential equation. So what we have to do, substitution, put y is equal to vx, differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx. Now using 1 and 2, we can eliminate variable y using 2 in 1. So it's a very simple one. See, v plus x dv by dx is equal to y by x is v minus cosecant y by x minus cosecant v. Now v cancels. Now dv by minus sin v is equal to, so minus cosecant v, I have brought it here. So minus cosecant v becomes, okay, this is first you write it as minus cosecant v dx by x. Now this is nothing but minus sin v, integral of minus sin v dv is equal to integral of dx plus, let us take that as c. Now you see integration of minus sin v is minus cos v. So integral is simple integration, which is cos v is equal to log x plus c is the general solution. Is the general solution. Now we have to put x is equal to 1. Okay, this can be taken as cos y by x is equal to log x plus c. Now, y x is equal to 1, y is equal to 0. This is cos 0 is equal to 0 plus c. So, this becomes c is equal to cos 0 is 1. In trigonometry, cos 0 value is 1. Now, the particular solution is cos y by x is equal to log x plus log 1. The previous problem also we have written this as cos y by x is equal to log 1, not log 1, it is 1. 1 can be taken as log e. So, that is equal to log x e. Cos y by x is equal to log x into e is the solution. Now, let us go to the 15th question. 2xy plus y square minus 2x square dy by dx is equal to 0. Y is equal to 2 when x is equal to 1. Y is equal to 2 when x is equal to 1. So, what is dy by dx? Dy by dx is equal to 2xy plus y square divided by 2x square. So, this is the given differential equation. You can see both the numerator, all the terms are degree 2, therefore homogeneous equation. So, this is a homogeneous differential equation. So, homogeneous differential equation. Now, put y is equal to Vx. Put y is equal to Vx. Differentiating this, we get dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx, equation 2. Now, next step is we have to eliminate y term and keep only v and x term, so that variable separable can be done. So, we will go to the next step here using 2 in 1. Using the equation 2 in equation 1, v plus x dv by dx. See how I am going to do, you see this here. This is Vx will be there. So, 2V will be there and V square will be there, nothing else is there. 2V and 2V is there, another thing is plus V square. Let us see this here, 2xy plus y square minus 2x square dy by dx is equal to 0. So, dy by dx is equal, when you take it to the other side, minus sign will be there, this minus sign and this minus sign will get cancelled. So, 2xy plus y square by 2x square. Now, we are simplifying that. See, 1v cancels here, 2v is there. So, and the denominator we have got 2. Here 2 is there, x square is there. So, x square cancels, 2 will be remaining. So, what is this? V plus V square by 2, V plus V square by 2. So, V V cancels. Now, this will be taken as V square by 2 dV by V square is equal to 1 by 2 dx by x plus c. 1 by 2 I am keeping it in the right hand side itself. Now, integration we have to start. This is dV by V square 1 by 2 integral dx by x plus c. Now, this is minus 1 by V. Integration of 1 by V square is minus 1 by V. Integration of dx by x is log x plus c. So, it is now 1 by V is nothing but minus x by y minus 1 by 2 log x plus c. Now, this can be use the values given here. Y is equal to 2, x is equal to 1, minus 1 by 2 is equal to x is equal to 1 means this term is 0. So, we get c is equal to minus 1 by 2, c is equal to minus 1 by 2. So, minus x by y is equal to minus 1 by 2 log x minus 1 by 2 c. So, minus term we can cancel and we can bring the 2 here. 2 x by y is equal to 2 x by y is equal to, here you will get log x plus log c. This can be written as log x c, log x c. So, 2x by y is equal to log x c is the solution. This is the solution for this. 2x by y is equal to log x by x c is the solution. Now, we will go to the next two questions are there in the exercise, we will do it. Okay. Here we have made a error here, this is 1 by 2, so it is plus 1 by 2 log x, plus 1 by 2 log x. So, there is a small changes in the solution you get here. This you can simplify and write it. This is 1 by 2 into log of mod x minus c. Log of mod x minus c is 1 by 2. So, c is also, so this is 1 log x minus. So, here we want y value. So, what is x by y? X by y is equal to 1 by 2 into minus sign we have taken to the other side. So, 1 minus log x. Now, from this you take the value of y, that is this implies y is equal to 2x by 1 minus log mod x. So, here we made a small error here, that is 1 by 2 log x, it is positive, but we have taken it as negative. So, let us change it and we will get the answers as y is equal to 2x by 1 minus log x. Thank you. We are going to see some entrance multiple option questions. A homogeneous equation of the form, differential equation of the form dx by dy is equal to h of x by y. So, I have given you dy by dx is equal to g of y by x, or dx by dy is equal to h of x by y. Can be solved by making substitution. Which substitution? So, we are done 2 or 3 problems. We have to use the substitution. X is equal to Vy, not y is equal to Vx. Okay. So, this comes in option C. So, next question is which of the following is a homogeneous differential equation? See how I am going to verify the homogeneous differential equation. Here you see the term here is the degree is 1, this is also degree 1, but here the degree is 0. So, it is not a homogeneous differential equation. Here degree is 2 for this term. Here 3 and 2 does not match, so it is not a homogeneous differential equation. Here 3 and again 2, so it is not a homogeneous differential equation. Here you see this term degree is 2, this term also degree 2, this is also degree 2, and this is also degree 2. So what is the answer? Answer is a D option. Okay, this completes the solution for homogeneous differential equation exercise 9.5. Then we will go take up the next one. So, next, the last in differential equation is linear first order linear differential equation of the form of dy by dx is equal to p of y plus q. Now we will define what is a linear first order differential equation. A differential equation, a differential equation of the form dy by dx plus p of y is equal to q plus p of y py is equal to q. A differential equation of the form dy by dx plus py is equal to q, where p and q are constants or functions of x, constants or functions of x, is called a linear differential equation. Linear differential equation. So any equation of the form dy by dx plus p of y is equal to q is called a linear differential equation. Of course, it is a first order. We are not going to see higher order linear differential equations. This is the first order differential equation. So the degree is 1. So first order dy by dx only we are getting. Order is 1 and linear, where p and q are constants or functions of x. Now I will write some differential equations. So y is equal to x. So here you see p is 1, q is x. P and q are constants or functions of x. So dy by dx is equal to y by x is equal to 1 by x. So this is another linear differential equation. You can get another linear differential equation as y by x log x is equal to 1 by x. So some examples we have given dy by dx plus where p and q are constants or functions of x. That is important for us. There is another differential equation. There is one more form. There is one more form such that you see dx by dy plus p of x is equal to q, p1, q1. Let us take that as p1 of x is equal to q1, where p1 comma q1 are constants or functions of, here it is y, here it is x, and there it is y. Dx by dy form also we can get a linear differential equation. Dx by dy is plus p1 of x q1, where p1 and q1 are constants or functions of y. So these are the two types of differential equations. Now we have to solve this differential equation. We will see in the next this one we will see next, we will see how to solve this differential equation. Okay.